Tatlo kayo going for today. Maui or the Rock? Hello, Dwayne Johnson.
What's up, Grimace?
Didn't know that hippos can swim underwater.
How come you can't?
Prepare to die, Oliver. You too, Maui. In times like this, I'm glad I didn't swallow. Happy holidays, my children. A lot of Filipino snacks here. I have picnic, I have cheese crackers, and I have dried mangoes. And of course, I didn't forget your fried rice and hot dog. You will be hungry with that. Oh, here is your favorite ketchup. Okay, eat. Baby, my favorite son.
Oops, it slipped!
The orange threw itself.
Apple, today's Thanksgiving. Let's tell everyone what we prepared today.
I did the potato au gratin. I also did the cornbread stuffing. Oliver did the roasted turkey. Oliver also did pasta Alfredo. I did the sipo, which is a quail egg, shrimp, chicken, and mushroom cream base. Filipino, yes. Oliver did the beef teriyaki, crispy bacon, and mommy's charcuterie board.
Mother, can you tell us what you contributed today?
Your bird. You're welcome.
Who ate all the gin ramen?
Do I look like I eat ramen? I don't like carbs.
Have you seen yourself, ma?
Yes, and I look skinny.
That's soup on your shirt.
Soup? I don't even like the premium New Zealand beef bone broth.
I believe you will lie to your own daughter.
Such a hater, Apple. Spread ginger love. Gin ramen. Apple, we're in the land of your people. Pay respect.
We're in Seafood City, ma.
Precisely.
Happy birthday, lesbian!
Okay, blow the pussy.
Ay!